Watching your more Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi so Yadanyamia se nenso walking at Yasafon Wakai no aka ho bie Yadana se papa Jumadi se Badwam and Yasha se Yadinum ahodo ajewa baba de du so no Badwam kase ensam no doso ne etojo mu bi ya wo betie ni ene ya make say akwada mfie dumienu na wako hie ana wako dru social welfare for ho kyeresa awofo na yira nti awofo no ene ye hwehwe won ye bekọ ketan so na yakọ akọhwe efie wura no a adehye susuo sa posifo ena namso ama wato na nanom nsie do no ne awom kafa ho eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase o show me live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube Adom TV 2 mede de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se de nsam ni nchemu ankasa etie abemo afia dumienu ne din de pa akwasi ana Frank akwasi entry make say the social welfare department ho ene wo wa yeguso ehwehwe akora no awofo oso ko SDA primary school awoko Pentecost asorenso e won sawam adoagiri ayidope na make say the social welfare for say awofo mo hwe a obi a woni maba mu yi woni awofo na suchi no mefa no Adom kase edeba
akoda wodi emfie dumienu a ne din ene pa akwasi ana se Frank akwasi entwi akodi eye social welfare department for na womo ehwehwe na busua akodei ekira okosuku ewo SDA primary school nokọ asori ewo Church of Pentecost ewo nsawom adoagiri ayedompe obi onim sa akodei enwese wobebo eye Department of Social Welfare any community development amanie asante agona anase nsawom adoagiri ewo sa telephone number so 0243 426 466 anase 0546 790852 omami din ode maaye no eye sister Kos na sa akode womo ekohunu ewo asante agona
Ora Jerry personu ya nanu adebeto dwa se okọ aposifo okukumu menam so wato na nanom nsie do no worma busuafo se woma di eye IGP hu ya ye pa fi se free breye beto dwa seketa police ana se abambofo bi a ewoketa ne mpotamo womo nam so am wonde hye ato na nanom nsie do na nko hwe ni mo sanka IGP beba ho na so hwe ya butu emu nsam Adom TV eto aso.
I came because I wanted to meet the IGP myself and ask one or two questions. My uncle, Mr. Vitop Putake, my cousin, Michael Putake, they were the people I left behind. Actually, I'm older than them, so, but he's my uncle. They were briefing me what is happening over here. They made me to understand that police came to arrest Jerry in the house. When he was arrested, they took him to the quarters, and I was told that he went to bath. I wanted to ask the police whether they asked him to carry his sponge and his towel along with him before he went to the bathhouse to bath and he slept and died.
Ninu apeni de la pesenu a onu nso eso enisuo ene Adom News Central for twetwe nkomo no for the to just say
they came and met him in his house with some work issues. Okay, things happened and you just told you people to go and call the servicemen to come and judge the case so that we will just do it amicably. But no, the servicemen came, just brutalize this guy. We take it from there. It's just direct. The servicemen came.
My into Badwam kase no so na yon concern for fromu. Ene ya make say ade say Ghana Statistical Service nhwehwemu a 1 year wo me bosumi mu wo nuane mu no. Nuane bo no akosro 2.7. Na wono agidi ye pa se lorry fare e ka ho binti ena nuane eboa ye de ne sai munsam chemu eni
on a month no say wo hwe their drive inflation na e say katums ye hu say an item such as transport, which is the means of conveying food items from one area to the other, one of the divisions are recorded the highest month-on-month inflation. These divisions are omukra significant weight, nititrini vegetables, tubers, and plantains. It is at 2.7 rate of inflation now, month-on-month food inflation. Vegetables with a weight of 9.5 points contributed about 9.2 price change between April 2024 and May 2024.
And which or the to just a Ghana Statistical Service akontebu abribia wo ye no sesei oni asoye show me kuayensem so ekwotenase na won akontebu ene Ghana Statistical Service die no or the atoto ho na hihye ye bi ebeboa ma aduane bo aba fam no wo mo de egu akwan mu.
How do we measure food security? Sankomo we are starting Ministry of Food and Agric AD e dey betu just say one of the field exercise which has to do with crop cutting. The yield of the different crops are first of all, saying that these crops are reflected in the planting for food and jobs. A couple of years back, GSS any ministry build a platform or historical data or more wholesale and farm gate in and any editor website. So and at Ghana Statistical Service, yes, your consumer data and so now what we need to do now is to better integrate these two data sets in terms of analysis, not pulling them together and try.
My entwa Diana locked up investment holders forum ono Henry wants to about one session finance ministry ho ne to so emiensa enie e wona wochwe miensa mo nyina ne se won sika kamu e na wo hwe se aban de bema wo mo ebi ni Adom kase di nkomo a wo kire se wadi ya pa na se pa se won do ndwetire bi be hye Ghana bi mu pa de ebi nsibiem won se mo de tudwa eni
yade ana ye hwe ni mana se ye hwehwe se ye behu a clear policy a guide implementation of the program no na yete ye no momo no but adeba ko amenhu ana se de na ye expecting say anka there will be broad stakeholder engagement on the policy any content na e womu no ansa na ye de akọ parliament say ye pass it because the program na ye ne de ehia say ye benya policy a ebe guide no and our policy na ye de ba no so no ma enye se ebia eye amanyokuo bi ejapade a wabeya ato ho no pese obohu ban se ma ban bia emesesa no da bi na emomu no e wo se policy no ensema ewomu no eye ade a ebeboa ama free senior high school no akoso aban we no ye bo maba so omo ya ade se omo di free senior high school ni baaye abua ema senior high school enrollment no akosoro emofra bebre enya kwenya akọ senior high school but I was say enka content na ewo policy ne mu no I was so omutumi che spreading widely send ye beya obia be hu content na ewo mu no na say there is the need say ye beya input bia anka yaye but a civil society coalition no yenya the details of the content of the policy but a idea about addressing all the issues surrounding the free senior high school.
Yeah, about wrong insert. Intifacha you say yeah more lock up investment no. Nemo yeah development studies expert we ye wo chirechire ni ewo Unimark IJ ura Daniel Adom ene wode nsam to edwachire mo se bill for free senior high school no a Eco Parliament na ne kwan so a no ebetumi aboa ama anuoma akọ eyie nti ye de sansam no ebeba na Benis Impere Jeche wono so na yete ne nka ewo bill a eba free senior high school no yete ne nka ewo hono me nto so ne monwura yensam foforo mu na oswafo environment science and technology and innovation so you feel a Mensa Hayford ene womo akambomu a womo ehwe kwan a mbafa so na yabo ye ho eban e wobambo a eya pomudin efemu na World Oceans Day celebration ase ya Environmental Protection Agency for ye no ho ho a wode nsemi etudwa
bebre activities bebre amaniema bi to echill enti EPA so ye di 50 years enti do globally o ma celebrate ye they ka ho na yafre sort of awareness creation ama wiase nyina ehu se e wo se nsuo no ye ne netena esan say our very sustenance, our existence is dependent on the sea any isaye niema no na say yanhwe ya nsuo ni dwanegya ya nyina nso ya sebehye ebewu yete ho no na ye adwen ho se na afi bi so a emre bi ba ye wonam bi a ebu pa a eye eman sese yetimi ho se eman emma biom enti no ewiase nyina agi tuma Ghana kan se ye beye nhyehyɛ ne niema to akwan ma ye betimi abo dem obo ade ejapade.
Professor Elvis Nyakun marine scientist at Maritime University ne kasaye mu no wɔkyerɛ mu sɛ plastics amanfo etutugu pumu no ɛde nsunsuan so ɔbɔ ne pa ɛna eja amanfo apomuden so.
It's a research abasa. In fact, you share a nipa kuma and nipa be research. If you want to use microplastic, ako nipa akumum. Ako just when nipa na tiasio. Microplastics no. Ako afani moja nwa ako inti. Ye nyina ye na ho ye inti mika say microplastics. Ebi ni ye huna mu na bi etisa. Inti plastics ni de a health threat. Kesi pa. One year plastics we you may say bottling companies, plastic companies, near the one betimia carbon. Now one more at fund be. Now sa fund no ye di a beer recycling plan.
Say Badwam and this NPP 4 year war yeji wo pro East Mensimo e wo bono East Mantamo ni nyina say voter transfer e koso no won susu say wo bia kofa nkofo bia ba ho e ba betwe won mu e be ye transfer ya wo mo antiase nti de koso e wo NPP ne ndc ntam ho yeji no eni
as far as nipa no free constituency adie yempeni e ma mo register if say those people also have constituency yes but some to aba our constituency on mo ye di ka no pass amode kompode ba no pass in fact do me enim ka no ma no pass ni be se odra e na eyi o because on wan information say edc for help mate eyi o kwan so say ye twa banks no e do mo nya say information no o ma ja banks no e wodra e na ye passengers na ma sprinters mienu amode aba na ne ye me ye kase pa o mu say sprinters mienu e ba no na police for na escort sprinters cars na e di ni ba fira voter regional something dey ba no na ye police for e na escort sa phone e ba ba ye ndisi for ye kase once the people no emfi wan kwa de yempini ne yempini ochina this amakwa nyina
okasa wie ye e na vice chairman na woda NPP amanyoko na no e wa baton pesu ya no so ba fo husu asare e kire se ensem a NDC amanyoko no e ka nyina no korebia enim
for after say omo back abaye transfer free different areas and omo afaka e ba transfer but NDC for no so omo prem omo nya transfer and say ntimi hu so omo ma kwan so ayen so nkofo no omo tieska na aba say omo sanko omo ji say omo ntima omo nya transfer no there na say I mean say omo so e for ba yes ma kwan omo and say omo ma kwan because mrabia ni was say obi free baby e ba transfer is me quite yenhu mrabia kiresa
Maminyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pay ye de siase dan komon emre ni adaje sorry why na ha wo ye de ya de ache so ko adwuma dwumade no de to so do so ye de bon krata ne online stories no ka ho de abron ti twen ye be sima mienu ye kwaba